Hello students, today we are going to study new chapter 2, components of food. In this chapter we are going to see the different components of food. So let's start this chapter. A food consists of different nutrients. So what is nutrients? Nutrients are substances. Nutrients are substances which is essential for maintaining life and growth. Life and growth. So nutrients assure a good life and a good growth in human or animal also. So what are the different types of nutrients? These are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin and minerals. Including these all nutrients, we need water and roughage also to maintain a good health. So what are the sources? What are the sources of nutrients which we can get in our day-to-day life? Let's start from carbohydrate. Carbohydrates provide energy. Carbohydrate provides energy to our body. So to perform any work we need energy. If you don't have energy, you cannot perform any work. So we need carbohydrate to perform energy. We need carbohydrate to perform any work or to get energy. So we get carbohydrate from wheat, rice, millet, maize. These are cereals. Then we can also get carbohydrate from mango, melon, papaya, banana, and these are fruits. Some common sources of carbohydrates are potato, sweet potato, sugar, and jaggery. So these are the sources of carbohydrate. Now, what are the sources of fat? Sorry. Before that, why we need fat in our nutrients? Fat also provide energy, but twice as much energy provided by the carbohydrate. That means if we are getting fat, we are getting more energy than carbohydrate. So from which sources we can get fat? We can get fat from plant and animal. In plant, we get fat from groundnut oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, soybean oil, etc. And from animal, we get from butter, ghee, cheese, egg. After fat, protein is also a very important nutrient in our life. And why we need protein? We need protein for growth and repair of our body. Protein helps to repair the cells or to prepare the cells. So from which sources we can get protein? We can get protein from gram, moong, tur dal, beans, peas, soya beans. It can be many more. And from animals, we get protein from meat, fish, chicken, egg, milk. What are the needs of different vitamins? So vitamins maintaining proper growth, protecting our body against diseases, keep our eyes, bone, teeth and gum healthy. And what are they? Vitamin A, which we get from carrot, milk, fish liver oil, egg. Vitamin B we get from whole grain, meat, broccoli, avocado, bananas. Vitamin C we get from orange, tomato, guava, lemon, amla. Vitamin D we get from cheese, milk, egg yolk, fatty fish, salmon. Our body also prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Then next is minerals. Why we need minerals? Minerals are needed by our body in a small amount, just like vitamins. Minerals help our body to grow, develop and stay healthy. Source of what are the elements which can come in minerals? They are iodine, iron, calcium, phosphorus. The source of iodine is fish, seafood, dairy product, iodized salt, egg. Source of iron: spinach, green leafy vegetables, cashew, beans, whole grain. The source of calcium: milk, cheese or other dairy product, egg, nuts, soya bean, cabbage, broccoli. The source of phosphorus: milk product, meat, bean, whole grain, nut, banana. So can you see that egg, fish, milk, green leafy vegetable, fruits, these are coming in every time. In carbohydrate they also comes, in fat they also comes, in vitamins they also comes, in minerals they also come. That means they are the common foods which is very good, for our health, and we must add these foods in our daily diet. As I told you that roughage is also an important nutrients which maintain our good health. So why we need roughage? Roughage is also known as dietary fire and does not provide any nutrients but add bulk to our food and help in digestion. So it is basically our fibers of organic fibers which help in digestion. It get rid of undigested food. And what are the sources of roughage? Whole grain, pulse, potato, fresh fruits, vegetables are the sources of roughage.